If your USB microphone connected to Windows computer stops working once your computer goes to sleep and you wake it up and log back in, then it's because Windows cuts power to peripheral devices such as USB microphones or audio interfaces to save energy. But then Windows is unable to initialize the hardware. So to fix it once and for all, click on Start and then type Edit Power Plan. Under the best match, select Edit Power Plan and then select Change Advanced Power Settings and then expand USB settings, expand USB Selective Suspend setting. As you can see, the setting is set to enabled, which means, as it says, to suspend USB, including your microphone that's connected using USB. Here, simply change the setting from enabled to disabled and then click on Apply, click on OK. Restart your computer and now your microphone should work, and it should prevent your microphone from not working in the future after waking up your computer. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to help me to reach to 100,000 subscribers. And if you still have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.